歡迎收睇美國之音製作嘅《美國專訊》，我係任敬揚。美國波士頓市外圍有幾十個群島，佢哋景色秀麗，並且被劃分成國家公園去管理。咁只不過呢個群島國家公園嘅全職工作人員呢，其實只係得嗰4個啫。咁絕大部分都要靠義工去幫手管理㗎。咁究竟義工嘅工作動力又喺邊度呢？咁下邊就係我哋嘅記者方正帶大家參觀一下。
從海上睇波士頓會使你感到特別。喺波士頓港嘅呢一啲小島上眺望遠處嘅城市，景象又會係點樣嘅呢？
You can hop on a boat for $10 or less if you're in a discounted category, and that's it. That's your cost, and that anybody in the community, whether they're rich or poor, can come down and have what's truly a national park.
波士頓人知道點樣愛惜呢一份由上天賜予嘅禮物。喺1996年，喺國會參議員愛德華甘迺迪嘅努力下，經過聯邦政府批准，由34個島嶼共同組成咗波士頓港口群島國家公園。布魯斯·雅各布森係公園管理處嘅主管。
So we have a year-round staff of 4 people, including myself. So we have a very small presence here.
但係佢並唔擔心工作冇辦法完成，因為有好多嘅志願人員分文不收，卻全年為公園服務。
We've been very involved working with them probably about 14 years.
20, 25 years. I've been coming out to the islands all my life. It's just...
I'm on my 16th.
Because of the 2 drumlins.
佢哋都係屬於波士頓群島之友。史提夫·馬庫斯擔任呢一個志願者組織嘅會長。
About 400 members and somewhere between 50 and 100 regular volunteers.
群島公園主要喺夏秋兩季開放，每年嘅5月到10月，群島之友嘅成員會用各種嘅方式為國家公園服務。
I view volunteers as part of the staff, and so then the question really becomes what's their pay? And their pay is satisfaction. It's the smiles they get from visitors, it's the thank yous they get from visitors, or it's the understanding that they are helping scientists to understand them.
蘇珊馬斯喺1979年創立群島之友，佢後嚟被公園管理處聘用，擔任首席講解員。
How they can mean so many different things to people. For some people, it's the history, whereas other volunteers have that personal connection with the military history.
79歲嘅約翰福布斯係最早加入群島之友嘅志願者之一。
Once you've been to Boston Light, you don't have to go any further because you've been to the best.
係乜嘢原因使到波士頓燈塔咁特別呢？當然，首先係佢嘅歷史地位。波士頓係北美最早開發嘅大型港口之一，燈塔早喺1716年就建成。天氣條件合適嘅時候，波士頓燈塔嘅覆蓋半徑可以達27英里。你可以想到近300年嚟，燈塔保護咗幾多嘅船隻安全出入波士頓港。
They've got all kinds of global positioning devices for boaters, and we don't really need lighthouses anymore. But private boaters and boaters like that visual aspect of seeing the lighthouse. We feel that it's very, very important.
瑪格麗特每年參加5至6次活動，次數唔算特別多，但係得到嘅享受卻唔少。
I love the water. I love being able to be on a boat and have somebody else pay for the boat. Actually, it's such a gorgeous day. It's a beautiful day to be out here. We're friends.
瑪格麗特用各種嘅方式為遊客服務。佢仲好喜歡攝影。
You in the camera, huh? Perfect. It's really nice to look at them in the wintertime. It's also nice to be able to share them with people who don't get out here or who can't get out here, and they look at the pictures and say.
瑪格麗特可以同其他嘅人分享風景照片，而凱特里維拉可以同其他嘅人分享自己家庭嘅歷史照片。
This is a picture of my father, and this is my father on the left side, and this
喺1929年到1955年，佢哋家族3代曾經喺景觀島上居住。凱特嘅祖父當時喺一家拖輪公司工作。
I am definitely an eyewitness to the development, the use of the island, and then the abuse of the island, the misuse, and then this amazing reclamation. And it's available for people to come and be as happy here as I was when I was a kid.
記者方正喺波士頓報導。
義工嘅熱情款待可以話係遊客之福啦。好啦，今日嘅節目時間又夠，多謝各位收睇美國之音製作嘅美國專訊，我係任敬揚，我哋下星期再見。